Let's make pickled beets or pickled salad, whatever you may call it and wherever you are from. First, you're going to start with peeled and washed beets. You're going to shred them or grater them. If you are familiar with beets, you know that it's very tasteless, but it's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that are very good for your health. So the point of making them into a pickle or pickling them is to add some flavor or some razzle dazzle to them, if you may, making them into a perfect additive to your every meal. Typically for this pickle, I'd add some vinegar, sugar, and water. Sometimes, depending on the amount you have, you can add a clove or a half clove of garlic and even